Welcome. In this video we will learn about date and time functions in Python. Python is very useful in case of date and time. We can easily retrieve current date and time using Python. Let's do it practical how we can deal with it. Let's open my terminal, type the command as Python. You can see that interactive terminal is open now. Let's first discuss about how calendar works. Python provides calendar module to display calendar. Import the calendar module here. Now put one function called cal calendar and month to print the required month there. You can see that when I'm trying to print the month, it will print successfully. Now let's try to print the whole year using pcal function. pcal function prints the whole calendar of the year. For example, when I'm trying to print the 2017, it will print the whole year calendar. Now let's move to the time function. Import the time module here. This module provides various time related functions. Let me calculate the formatted date and time. Python also supports formatted time. Pass the time structure in a predefined function ASCII-time. It is the function defined in time module. It returns a formatted time which includes day, month, date, time and year. Print the formatted time. Print one object called local time and it followed by ASCII time defined in time module. Lastly, print the local time. You can see that it printed the local time successfully on the terminal. This is how we can work with the date and time functions in Python. There are many other functions which you can try. That's it in this video on date and time in Python. Thank you for watching this video.